Hello. Welcome to Monday Messages from Missy. How's it going? Number 6. Woo-hoo. So our topic today, state minimum coverages. One that's very near and dear to my heart. Hopefully it is to you too. This is the minimum amount of coverage that the state requires you to carry on your auto insurance in order to be considered legally covered. In the state of Georgia, those limits happen to be $25,000 per person for liability, $50,000 per incident for liability, and then $25,000 per incident for property damage. What does that even mean? $25,000 per person is basically if you were at fault in a car accident and negligent, your car insurance would pay for the injury in the other car up to $25,000 per person, and then up to $50,000 for the total accident, all the injuries. So God forbid there be more than one person in the other car. So let's just talk about that. Have you ever been to the ER recently? I just went with my son. My daughter. She busted her lip. I've been with my son a number of times. It's usually him. We call him ambulance man. It's a whole nother story. She fell, busted her lip, 11 p.m. on like a Tuesday. Took her to Scottish Rite, great hospital in Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm still getting bills, y'all. We're upwards to like $7,000 at this point before insurance. We're going to meet our deductible. Yay, in October. Great. But that's crazy. Medical bills are crazy. So in a car accident, y'all know medical bills are skyrocketing, and being in a car accident is hard. Have you ever been in one? I mean, definitely need chiropractic. Definitely need, if there's even, anything worse than a fender bender, you're going to need some follow-up visits. So you will exceed that amount if you're at fault in a car accident. Let me just tell you, even if it's a fender bender, and we live in a very litigious world where if an attorney gets involved, they're going to max that out. If not, try and garnish wages for anything in the car accident above and beyond that. Did you know that too? So if there's more injuries in the other vehicle than your policy covers and an attorney gets involved, they can garnish your wages through a lawsuit. Did you know that? I've met customers that this has happened to. Thank God none of mine, because we don't sell these coverages. They are way too low. They are minimums for a reason. Like, do you want minimum anywhere in your life? No thanks. Y'all, this is not expensive to raise these coverages. We recommend a minimum in the agency of $100,000 per person, $300,000 per incident, $100,000 property damage. Let's talk about the property damage piece. $25,000, y'all. I just did a quick search on one of my favorite cars, 2015 Honda Accord. Guess how much? Anywhere from, I'm seeing as low as $17,000 to $22,000. For a 2015. We are in 2022. Good luck finding a decent 2015 Honda Accord. So I challenge you to just look up what the market price of your vehicle is. It's going to be gone like that. Now, when you're driving around today, just take a look at some of the cars you might accidentally hit if you weren't paying attention, or, just accidents happen. That's why you have insurance. But you want to make sure you have enough insurance to replace your vehicle or fix your vehicle. $25,000 is not enough. God forbid you cause a pileup of cars too and have to replace all of them. $25,000. That's not even enough for like a bumper of a Mercedes. Bumpers these days, y'all, just a fender bender. For their bumper, it's going to cost $10,000. There's backup cameras. There's sensors. Wow. This is a minimum amount that you should not be carrying. I cannot stress this enough. We don't write these in our agency. So if you want state minimum limits, don't come to Stallings Insurance, because we will not write those minimum coverages, because it's not enough. You will not be covered. There will be a lawsuit. You will get sued, and they will be garnishing your raises for the rest of your life. So if you like to live life on the edge, state minimum coverages might be for you. However, if you don't like living on the edge, thank you. I don't. I like to make sure I'm getting what I pay for, which these limits should be at least $100,000 per person, $100,000 per incident, $100,000 property damage per incident. Thanks so much for listening to Monday Messages from yours truly, Missy. Hope to see you again next week. Bye.